In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to open Google Sheets from Drive app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if this is what you are encountering, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, in the first place, you need to go to your phone and go to settings. From settings, look for apps. It is, tap on it to open. Now from apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Drive, just like that. And if you tap on it, now go to for stop app and then okay, then go to clear data and clear cache. Okay, finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go back to your Drive, now everything should be running without any issue. You should be able to open Google Sheets. However, if this does not work, then you may want to download Sheets separately from Google Play Store. Download it as an app here, and now you should be able to use it without any issue. However, if that fails, then check and then see that you are not using any VPN app, as this might be the main reason you are experiencing this. However, if that still fails, then go to Google Play Store and then activate search and search for Sheets. And if I run search, now here tap on your Sheets app and update it to the latest version in case we have an update. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.